Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make a sourdough grilled cheese in the cast iron skillet. This grilled cheese is inspired by a grilled cheese that I had similar at a restaurant here about an hour north, and I'm making it on my everyday white sourdough loaf. If you are not a sourdough bread maker, that's okay. A perfect store-bought sourdough bread will be perfect. Just cut it into thick slices, and there are some wonderful bakeries that provide a great texture and a great sourdough bread. So once you cut your sourdough bread, the key ingredients are a garden tomato. If you don't have access to a garden tomato, of course, a store-bought tomato is fine. Your cheeses you're going to be using today is a cheddar cheese and a mozzarella cheese, and then we're also going to use a store-bought pesto. You can make your own pesto to amplify this a little bit, which I think will be delicious, so feel free to do that. I will link in the cards above the sourdough recipe that I have created, the video, and also down below make sure you click on the blog post, because there's a link to the sourdough bread and there's a link to this recipe too that you can pin and make later. Now the key to this grilled cheese is to thinly slice your cheese, and then also to preheat your cast iron skillet. Once or while your skillet is preheated, you're going to go ahead and butter each side of your bread with a good grass-fed butter, and you're going to place this on your cast iron skillet and start layering it with your cheese, tomatoes, and pesto. And you can omit any of these ingredients if there's one particular ingredient you do not want in your grilled cheese. Feel free to do that. If you want to replace the pesto with basil leaves or lettuce leaves, go for it. The possibilities are endless, and that's what I'm here to encourage and inspire you to do, is to create delicious, healthy meals and spark your creativity in the kitchen. Go ahead and add your top layer of bread, and you are going to kind of smoosh it down. You can use this little griddle press, I guess you can call it, or sandwich press on your sandwich. If you don't have anything like that, a plate would work completely fine. And then once it's golden brown on one side, you're going to flip it and cook it on the other side. You can serve this with soup or salad, anything you desire. I like to have a sandwich night at least once a week because it is delicious, especially this time of year, with a bowl of soup, and it is affordable and nutritious. And I like doing it because I like to create creative, interesting sandwiches, warm sandwiches, either in the panini maker or in my cast iron skillet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, from cooking from scratch, creating a natural home on a budget. I'll talk to you guys real soon.